Hi, my name is Paul Pasulka, Ivy Masters Learning Center and ivymasters.com. Today we're going to look at Test 1, Section 2, number 20, which reads, which choice best completes the description of the self-reinforcing cycle? So the first thing you might notice is that this is a question. It's not like number 19, which are like most writing language questions. First answer is no change, and then you have your options. So once you do have a question like number 20, you have to pay careful attention to what the question's asking and make sure you answer accordingly. So what we're looking for here is a self-reinforcing cycle. And when we go to the passage, we find that the first thing it says is the result is self-reinforcing cycle. This might make you think of an example of a cycle, maybe the water cycle. So what does water do? It evaporates, then it condensates as clouds, it precipitates as rains, and after that, it evaporates again. So we need an answer choice that's going to reflect that cycle. Notice the first thing that the sentence says, as the ice melts. And then it goes on to say, the land and the water under the ice become exposed, and since land and water are darker than snow, the surface absorbs even more heat, which, answer choice A, is related to rising temperatures. Now, answer choice A might seem to naturally end the sentence, sounds great, but unless it's emphasizing self-reinforcing cycle, we cannot choose it. That's the same reason why answer choice B is wrong. Raises the surface temperature is not closing out that cycle or actually showing that it is in fact a cycle. Answer choice C is wrong for the same reason. Begins to cool at a certain point. Maybe it does, maybe it ends a sentence well, but again, we started with as the ice melts, and answer choice D works best because if it leads to additional melting, then we know that it is indeed a cycle. So taken together, the result is a self-reinforcing cycle. As the ice melts, land and the water underneath the ice become exposed. And since land and water are darker than snow, the surface absorbs even more heat, which leads to additional melting. Thank you for joining us today. If you like this video, click like. You can share it with someone who has trouble with questions on SAT writing and language. If there's a particular question you'd like to see from any official PSAT or SAT or ACT, leave it in the comments. We'd be happy to shoot a video on it. And click subscribe so you don't miss anything. Have a great day.